Hello my friends, and welcome to another Wonder Wednesday. We're gonna do the Blubber Experiment today. So, the question I'm going to ask you is, how do you think polar bears stay warm in that cold, icy water? It's a very good question. Do you like to touch cold, icy water? Well, I have a bowl of very, very cold, icy water here. Blue water because I put a few coloring in there so it looks nice and pretty in the video. I'm going to put my hand, my very naked, no gloves, no mittens, no feathers, no fur hand into the water. Now I'm going to count to see how long I can keep my hand in this water before it's too cold and I want to take it out. You ready? Can you count with me? Okay, let's put it in. Ooh, it's so cold. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, it's too cold. When water's too cold and it's on your skin, it starts to hurt a little bit, doesn't it? So how do they do it? How do polar bears and walruses and seals and whales stay in that very icy cold water? Well, let's do an experiment to find out. Okay, so to do the blubber experiment, you're going to need a big bowl of icy cold water. So, and I made my water blue. You don't have to make your water blue. I just want to do that for fun. Then you're going to need some vegetable shortening. I had this Crisco at home, so I'm going to use that. If you don't have vegetable shortening at home, you can use butter, any kind of solid fat. We don't want oil. We want to use something we could like rub and spread and stuff. Then you're going to need a rubber glove or 2 zipper bags. I'm going to do this experiment with a glove and a zipper bag, only to kind of contain the mess a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this hand in the blubber. So I'm going to just grab my, that's actually okay that fell in there, because what if we know about oil? We know from our lava lamp experiment that oil and water do not mix. So do you remember I made my lava lamp and I poured in my vinegar and I poured in my oil and they kind of sat on top of each other? This fat is not getting wet right now from, I'm going to use this bag to help me spread it on. This oil, the fat is not getting wet because it's fat and it's oil and it's not mixing. So I'm getting that blubber all over. You're going to need a lot. And it's definitely going to be easier with 2 people. Alright, let's get that open. All my fat in there. I'm getting it all over my hand. You want to try and get your hand really, really covered in that blubber. That's the tricky part. Getting it all in there. I also have a big hand. Small child, this is much easier. Alright. It's pretty covered. So now my hand is all covered in that fat blubbery blub. I'm going to put it into the water and I'm going to see how long I can count now with my hand in there. Hopefully it's longer than 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Guess what, guys? I can honestly keep on counting. This does not hurt at all. It feels great. It actually feels kind of relaxing because my hand's actually getting pretty hot with all this blubber in it and all this fat. So, there you go. That's the answer. How do polar bears stay warm in that cold water? Their bodies are covered in a thick, thick layer of blubbery fat, kind of like my shortening here. In fact, 4 inches of fat. And they have fur all over their body. And their fur has 2 coats, an oily coat, which, what did we talk about before? Oil keeps water away. So it's keeping them dry, and the blubber is keeping them warm. And that's how they do it, my friends. Extra blubber. So if mommy says you're her chubby wubby, that's okay, because that means you're going to be extra warm in the winter time. That's how I justify it for myself, guys. All right, my friends, thank you for joining me for another Wonder Wednesday, and I'll see you later for some more videos.